and today we will be unboxing the RG7 RGB CPU water block. That's what we're going to be doing today, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. First of all, I want to give a shout out to Miss Bonnie, because I said she was downtown Atlanta, but she's not. She's downtown Trenton, where she's always been, and that was my mistake, and I apologize. So keep everything moving. This is the XG7 RGB water block. This is something that will keep the CPU, the GPU unit cool as well. So let's unbox it. Okay, it's a nice little color box. This box is made by Corsair. This is the hydraulic series XG7 RGB GPU water block. GPU block. Well, that's in Spanish. I don't need to say all that mess. But it's a super chiller, so hopefully it works on the computer. And guys, we are not too far off from where we can start the build, so just be a little patient with me, and we make sure that everything works out for us to start this build soon. So I'm finally getting everything. Like you can see, I'm recording on the computer. I have not tested it to YouTube yet, but give thanks for that. Now, to my good people, I would like to that's my Alexa talking to me without my permission. That is some weird stuff, y'all. That shit freaks me out, to be honest with you. Sometimes I think the feds is in my house, but I have no reason for the feds to be here. I work every day, so. All right, this is right here. This is it right here, guys. This is it right here. Yes, this is copper right here, so it's kind of heavy. So, how this will go into my system, I don't know. I guess it's going to be used as like a graphic card or something like that. I think that's what it's used for, like a graphic card. And, let's see how it works, y'all. Right here, right up in here is where you're going to see the water go up in here, and this is going to cool the block. This is going to cool the GPU, and this is also going to be RGB. This is going to light up as well. So here on the end, you got two cords, line cords. They're pretty cool too. I think one is for the RGB, and the other one's for the other one is a power supply. So we're looking forward to see how this works. This looks pretty cool because the water fills up in here. It fills up in here, I'm guessing, and it comes in one way, goes out another. So I mean, this was making this build so exciting because there's so many different parts to it, and I'm very, very eager to learn what each part do, which by the time I finish doing my build, I will know what each part do. So, and then it also comes with a back plate, a panel right here. I guess it goes on the back to help keeps the water out. Helps keeps the water out. And what you do, hold on, just put this on the floor for right now. What we do, we just take this back plate right here, lay it down on the stomach, or whatever you want to call it, and we just put screws in it everywhere that screw's supposed to go. I'm taking the logo right here, so I'm not sure how we're going to set this up, but I guess it goes like something like this, y'all. If not like this, something similar to it, but it's a back plate. It's the back plate right here. It's the back plate, and this is how we do it. So now I don't know what happened to the streaming, but we're gonna continue on my phone. So now this is it right here, and I think all the screws that's in the box, right here, we're gonna screw them here. This is also a peg. I guess this is right here. We put them right there. We can even see if we can do that. We put that right there, and we can see how it works. All right. Well, so far, congratulations. I got my mic set up, and now let's see if we can get somewhere. And I got a video camera. I got a camcorder camera I think I got coming in for next week or so. And that way I can do more video streaming, even outside the house. And, screen what's going on in the neighborhood or what's going on in town. Because I definitely can't build computers every day, y'all. So I think this would probably most likely go here. Take this off. I'm not no genius here, but I think that most likely fit in here. And you screw it down like so. Screw it down like so. And it does the same thing here with this one. Just screw it down like so. And that's the way it is. And that's how it's going to be. Y'all. So, hopefully everything works out fine. Alright? So, we're not going to worry about that right now. Okay, and screw that in there. And let's see what we do with this back plate here. You see the back plate? This stuff is in every language except for English. Okay, it tells us everything, what it is and everything, what it does and how to do it. It tells us all of that. I want to know how you install it. It says you need a screwdriver. I think the other piece that I need to complete this will be in tomorrow. And I think that hooks up to this. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I have that coming in tomorrow. That will hook up to this, and that will cover the CPU unit, not the GPU. I think that's a cooler for the CPU unit, and that's what that is. Are we going to turn the page here? 5, 4. I guess this is just as simple as screwing the back plate on. There it is. Here it comes. Here we go, removal of the original heat sinker fan. Okay, this is going to take some time, guys. Anyway, I just wanted to unbox this and show you guys what it is. And this is what it is. This is another part to the water cooling system. I am very eager to start because this is very expensive. And I'm not going to stop until the project is done. But this is it right here. This is another piece. It's just like a graphic card. Except for this is something that keeps the system from overheating. And plus we can overclock this, guys. We can overclock this. When I say overclock it, we can push it to its limit. And that I will do. If I don't push it to the limit, I'm going to push it next to the limit. Or before that, or before that, or before that. But we're going to do some kind of clocking to this thing here. I am a little shaky about clocking, but what the heck. That's the purpose of having this stuff. Is that I'm having fun. And I haven't seen anything in the comments about what color that I'm going to go for with my water. But I was talking to my brother 38 last night, and 38 was, he let me think for a minute. And I decided with all the RGB lights that's going to be in the background, I could just put water in there and let it just, the color just go off the water. That's what I can do with that. And I think that'd be a better deal for me. And that's what I'll do. I am very interested in how this come off. I just don't want to take it off too early, but I'm going to have to take it off sooner or later. What is this right here? Yeah, this little part right here, I guess this will be sitting over the, this a GPU cooler? It's a GPU cooler. Graphic RGB. So this is going to look very, very nice, man. I'm going to put one of these things up on my YouTube channel and let y'all see it when it's all put together. But I'd rather for you to see it when I finish putting it all together. You get me? Because shoot, we're putting in the hard work here. Why should somebody else take the glory? And again, today's sponsor will be Corsair. Today's sponsor will be Corsair. Yes, this is, I hear a lot of good things about this product. There's some more to this. I was wondering, how did it... So I put this over top of my, still have to get another GPU unit. Because if you look at it right here, this is where it taps into the computer. So I'm thinking this sits over top of the GPU unit. It sits over top of the GPU, the GPU unit, and you seal it in, and that way you keep it from getting wet. So these little things we put around that. So I still have to buy a GPU unit. So we're not as close to being finished as it all, because these GPU units, they're very expensive. And when I say GPU unit, it's mainly talking about this right here. See that right there? That's the GPU unit. It's like a graphic card. It controls the I want to say it controls the speed and everything of your gaming and everything. I mean, I clock this system a little bit at a time, and I'm still clocking it. So my gaming system, it runs pretty cool on here. I don't play games, a lot of games. I just like working with electronics, and I somehow or another, I got into computer building, and it's very interested in. And the reason I got into it was just to see if I can do it. Because all the person have to do is tell me that I can't do something, and I'm going to work 5 times as hard to prove to them that I can do it. But it's one thing I want to give to my people out there, well, to everyone out there, that no matter what anyone say to you, if they ever tell you that you can't do nothing or you're not worth doing anything, work your hardest and do your best to try to prove them wrong, because don't let anyone control your destiny but you. And that's the thought for the day, because if you allow anyone else to control your destiny, then that means they will control your mind, your body, and if they can, they will try to control your soul. So with that said, on a good note, thank you guys for staying. Thank you guys for taking the time to spend with me today. And maybe tomorrow, the other end of this will be here, and hopefully we can connect that and get a better understanding what we're working here with. I think it's a lot more. I thought this was the GPU unit, Jesus Christ, the GPU, but this is not it. This is just something to cover it. Because like I said, I was looking, there's nothing to hook to the back of the computer. This is where the monitor would plug in at. Somewhere up in here, the monitor would plug up into this. And for some reason, it's not here. So I guess we have to buy another part to this. So we're going to just let it work from there. And again, thank you for joining me. Welcome to my YouTube page. If you like the video, hit like. If not, tell us what you don't like about it. But until then, until next time, everyone, peace and blessings to all. Enjoy your day.